Some tips for making your small kitty cat craft kit. After you're finished painting and you're ready to glue it together, the best way to glue on your head is going to be to use your tacky glue and put a ring of tacky glue around the head here, and then just stick it onto the body, making sure that it's centered or is looking however you'd like it to. That is going to take about 10 minutes to set up. You're also going to be gluing your base onto your gourd here. To do that, you're gonna put tacky glue right around here, and then you're gonna stick the base on, making sure that your holes line up. And that's really important because you're going to be sticking your gourd over your tea light. The last thing that you might wanna be gluing on are gonna be your cat ears, which these are also paintable, so you'd wanna paint them before you glue them together. But what you do is you can just put a little bit of tacky glue right in the slits of the ears here on your cat head, and then you're just going to put your ears right in.